Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. And just yesterday I made a video about drawing a star or even a five-sided polygon. But if you draw a star and you go to the center of the page and you hold down the Control and the Shift button, you draw a perfect star that's in the center of the page. The old way I used to do it, and you'll see if I hit P, it doesn't put it in the center of the page. The old way was, well, a different way is make it a six-sided, hit P, and then go back to a five-sided, so it's in the center of the page. But one of my viewers or subscribers, and I kind of knew this, but if you look, this star is about 18 inches. If we take a ellipse and draw an ellipse and make it about 18 inches with the ratio locked, so it'll be even, and then hit P, you could see now that the star is in the center of the page, where before I was taking lines, so the ellipse or the circle is quite a bit faster. So I thank him for reminding me of that. So if you take a 2-point line and go from node to node, I was having to do this, and I'm actually off on that one. It's always easy maybe go to that point to that point, that point to that point, and you can see how they're intersecting that indexing lines to kind of prove. But if you just take an ellipse, holding down the Control button so it's an equal ellipse and then hit P, you can visually see that all 4 points are equal. And we'll just do a little side test here, just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. You just take the Smart Fill tool and fill in these little points. They're all equal in size. They're sticking over, so the star is in the circle and or in the center. Same thing with a polygon. You know, I used to take the polygon tool, and if I wanted a five-sided polygon, but if you start at the center, hold down the Control and the Shift, that polygon will be in the center. If we hit P, watch what happens. It's just the weight of the object, I guess, and Corel's doing that. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.